Hi, Rahman here. Welcome back to my channel OwnCloud. So today we are going to see how to set up an own storage cloud on your home server, and this is possible by using the OwnCloud, which is an open source tool. Let's go into the video. So today we'll be seeing about how to create an storage cloud on your home lab. So let's get into the video. So this is the OwnCloud site. So basically this you can create files and folders, and you can share it over you can provide access to the users. You can create users or a group. You can create a group, and you can share files with your team. And we also this can also be shared over the internet, and so that you can access from anywhere, and it can also be accessed from anywhere, any device. So let's check it out. So this is the home page of the OwnCloud. So click get started. So this can be done. OwnCloud can be kept on premises and as well as OwnCloud. So they have their own cloud services, the software as a services. So where they can host your file datas in the data center in Germany, so that they are giving the 14 days free trial for you, so you can check it out. So let's start the installation. So get community version, you can check the versions here, and there is many more features, you can check it out here. Download server, so we can check the server packages here. You have OwnCloud for installing on Linux distribution packages, so you can see Ubuntu, Fedora, Red Hat, SUSE Linux, and CentOS. And also there is one more options you can do through Docker. You can able to host your own cloud storage application. And so we have one more here, appliance. So we will go with an appliance. So this is a easy way with the OVA file downloaded for you. So you can use your virtual box to create the appliance. So go to virtual box, we'll be getting an OVA file downloaded here. I'm just getting cancelled it because I have already downloaded and kept in my location. Let's check this out. So we have OVA file here. First we need to install OwnCloud. We'll be configuring the user account. Later we will be adding files and folders. Then to have the access over the internet, so we'll be port forwarding the port 80 and 443, which is for HTTPS, and so that you can access from anywhere from the internet and any device at any time. So this can be possible. So let's start. So here you can see. So here the base machine folder, I am going to change that one. Let's change the folder virtual machines OwnCloud. So this is the folder I'm going to select, so where our base machines will be saved. So we can also do RAM, 2 GB CPU. So this can be changed. Maybe I will change it 4. Okay. Once this is done, just give import. Agree. So the OVF will be getting imported, and this is a base new installation of Oracle VM VirtualBox Manager. So here you can see. So we have just trying to import the OwnCloud OVA file. So it will be creating the VMDK disk for this particular machine. So let's So the machine got imported now. This is imported now, so here you can check the details. System, memory, processor. So you will need to start with the installation process. So the installation is started now. So here you have a geo interface where you can do the complete the installations. So in the city you live. So here you need to provide an manual IP address. So I will keep 192.168.0.1 and 2, and the DNS 192, and the alternate DNS I will provide Google DNS. Just give next. So here you have options to set up your domain. Join into the existing users directory, and join into an existing Microsoft Active Directory domain. If you are having an Active Directory domain, you can able to join this particular reference to your Active Directory domain. So that is also possible. So right now I'll go with the first option, the default one, the manage users and permission directly on this system. So for that, a new directory domain is created on this system under user and management data are stored locally. So just give next. So I'll give this later. So just provide the password. Just give next. So this is a host setting you will be seeing here. Just give next. You can do the update system after setup, or you can do during the installation itself. Nothing wrong. So I'm just starting with the configure system. So this is getting configured now. The installation may take some while, so let me just pause the video and come back. So we are at the end of the installation. So the installation is completed now. Give finish. So once the installation is completed, you will be getting an screen like this where you can see how to access the OwnCloud appliance, the management interface, how to open the management interface. So login with this IP, go to 19 HTTPS 192.168.112. Once you type the IP address, you will be getting an connection. Just proceed with this. Give your provider email address, request for activation. So now you need to go to your mail server. So you will be getting an email from the OwnCloud for activating the license. So you need to download the license file here. from your email. Go here, click upload license file. Go to your downloads. You should see your license file, users license file. Just upload. So activation is successful now. So to access the management interface, just give finish now. So this is the login page of your OwnCloud. Click this here. So we'll be asking for username and password. So our username is which you given with a password. Here. So you can also have a desktop application, and as well as you can download from Google Play. You can access the files and sync files from the phone as well. So these are the ways to connect to your own cloud. Okay, just close this one. So here you can see the photos, the default photos here. Let's you can able to share you can share with others. Okay, so you can able to create a folder. Test, see, you can upload a file as well. For example, maybe I'll try to upload this usage file here. Okay, can you see we have uploaded the license file. Going to the text, upload some pictures, maybe can you see we have uploaded the pictures here. So this is done now. Let me now create an user. Go to settings, password, let's set the password for this one. Okay, I have set a password for this particular user. Let me log out and log in with so see, now we can able to log in with the new user credential. Okay, so this is possible now. So here you can see only on administrator you can able to see that test folders, but here this cannot be able to see. Just log out, log in with the user credential again, admin account. Let's share this folder. Okay, share with RAHMA. So there is a user popped up here. So here you can go, once you click this settings you can able to see, can share, can edit, create, you can give the permissions over here, and even you can create a public link where you can share create a public link where you can share over the internet as well. Okay, so come to the user groups, and this I have added shared. Shared with you, shared with others. So when you click the share with others, you can see here with this particular user I am sharing this. Okay, so right now here there is no folder file share to show up here. Okay, so now log out from this admin credential, log in with the one which we created. Now try to check this one. So here you can able to see the, so this is a test folder which we shared, and this is shared by administrator. Okay, this you can able to access, you can do anything. Got it? Yeah. So port forwarding, to in order to access this over the internet you need to port forward. So for port forwarding you need to access your local router IP. So in that this is my local setup, local TP link I am using. So here you need to forward the port. So port number 80, IP address. What is the IP address we are accessing? This 112, right? Go to 112, correct? 0112. Okay, so this is done. We need to enable this port. Okay, and to access via HTTPS we need to access one more port, 443, with the same IP. We need to map that, just save it. Okay, once this is done we should now be able to access with the public IP address. So where you can get the public IP address, just go to Google, just type my IP address. So you will be, so can you see here, now I can able to access my OwnCloud using the public IP address. So this is a portal, so you can go to your management here. So UCS management here with the domain username. So just click everything looks great. Okay, finish this one. So here you can see the installed applications. So here we will add the or OwnCloud freedns.org. Just use your domain name. We will access your we will access, instead of the public IP address, we will access the our own cloud storage over the internet through the dynamic DNS with the fully qualified domain name. To do that, we need to enable the dynamic DNS, which points to your this dyno.com, which once we add the dynamic DNS, this will point to your public IP address, so that we can access from the fully qualified domain name. So you have added the dynamic DNS services, you have enabled it. So now check the DNS services. So here you can able to see with the public IP address we have pointed out. So this should now point to the OwnCloud portal. So this can be accessed now. This is achieved. So this can be accessed over the internet, and we can able to share the files and folder from anywhere. See, so use the admin account, administrator. So I'm just logging with my password. See, I can able credential from we can access our own cloud storage from over the internet with the fully qualified domain name. So this is the site we can able to access now. So so this is how you can able to access the files over the internet. So we have done all the steps now. So we have done the port forwarding last, and we can access over the internet this website. Have your own cloud. So we are at the end of the video. So if you like the video, please subscribe and comment and share. So thanks for watching. I will back with another video. Thank you.